This video tutorial I will explain how to get and select the collection and read a range of documents using Java and add the documents into ArrayList or consumer, which is a functional interface. Here you can see order database. It has a product collection, and product collection has three documents, and we will see how to get the documents whose price is more than 10,000. And if you see, there are two documents whose price is more than 10,000. Here I have defined the class read range of documents. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using a Mongo client constructor which accept host name and port number. Then I am calling a get database method of Mongo client object, passing database name as order, and this method returns order database object. Then I am calling get collection method of order database object and passing collection name as product. This method returns product collection object. Here I am calling find method of product collection object, and here I am passing the filter criteria. Here I am mentioning if the price is greater than 10,000, then get those documents and add it in the array list. And this method returns product list, and using for each loop I am getting each product document from product list and displaying one by one. And here you can see the output. I got two documents whose price is more than 10,000. Here I am calling find method of product collection object, and here I am passing the criteria. Here I am mentioning if the document price is more than 10,000, get those documents and put it in the consumer. And here you can see we got two documents whose price is more than 10,000 using the consumer, which is a functional interface. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.